Hi everyone, I'm Marcela, hope you are well. We're finally back after a short holiday, and in this video I will be with my adorable baby. Maybe you remember him from some of the videos saying hi. His name is Feli. I know he's not a baby, but he will be my baby forever. We are going to recreate a haircut and a hairstyle from Cristiano Ronaldo. We're big fans, so let's get started. First of all, we're going to put a cape on so the hair doesn't annoy him when we're cutting it. Now we're going to wet the hair very well with water. This hair is now so long, I think it's perfect time for a haircut. And we're going to comb it when it's all wet. Next, we will do a division on each side. We're going to start about the middle of the eyebrow to the back and a little diagonal, just like doing a triangle. This is how it should look from the back. And hold the top section. I'm going to start from the back. As you can see, the hair is pretty long and I want it very short. So we have to place our hands in this way and cut. Place your fingertips very close to the head and separate your hand from the head as you move up. We're going to repeat the same thing several times. I'm going to cut a little first and then I will cut more so we can see how long we want it. I'm going to be honest, the first time that I cut my boy's hair was a fail. It wasn't good, but what I can tell you is if you cut it the first time, don't leave it so short. Leave it a little long, so if you see that you cannot fix something, you can go with a professional. I did that the first time. The haircut didn't turn out well, so we went with a professional. I could see what I was doing wrong, and the second time it turned out perfect. Really, cutting a boy's hair is not as hard as it looks. As I told you, I just practiced once and the second time was so good. So I have cut his hair many times from then. Okay, now I'm doing this side and we do it in the same way. Try to cut the bottom part very short and a little longer as we move up. I don't like to use the machine to cut my boy's hair. I always do it with scissors, and when we go to the salon, I ask to cut his hair just with scissors as well. Now we're going to keep doing the same thing and check every time that the hair is even. Now we have to do the part around the ear and do the same thing on the other side. Good. When we are ready, we're going to wet the back section at the bottom and cut the hair straight. Make it as perfect and even as you can and cut the remaining little hairs. Now grab the hair from the top, and in here the back should be shorter than the front. The idea is to cut the hair diagonally from the back to the front, so it should be a little longer as we move forward. Another tip is grab a small section from the front first and cut it, so you can see what is the longest layer to cut the hair until you reach the crown. In this way the hair will be even. With this section, we're going to check this every time in diagonal, horizontal and vertical way to make sure that it's right. We are ready now, so we will start to blow dry the hair. Start from the back towards the front and dry the front towards the back. The key in the front is brush the hair to the back and then pull it a little bit back to the front. In this way we will have a small wave, as you can see. And again, brush from the crown to the front. In here, we will spray the hair with hairspray to separate it, just where we split the hair on each side. Next, comb the hair from the crown to the front, and in here we are going to style the hair upwards and back. In the hairstyle, Cristiano Ronaldo has the hair sticking up at the front, and this is what we want. Fix it with the comb and apply more hairspray if you need it. To finish, we will style the hair with our fingertips, pulling the hair a little bit from the ends to the side and upwards, and we're done. So this is the final result. I love it. Hope you like it as well. Give us a big thumbs up if so, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and not to miss out our videos. Bye!